our love and loyalty to our alma mater, the Grand Rose Montessori Center. We promise to uphold its ideas and mission, abide by its rules and regulations, and live by its educational goals and objectives. We will do our best to become dignified and productive citizens and make use of the knowledge and skills we have learned in our service to God, our country, and fellow men.